Welcome. In front of me is a BOCOIN K800, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to start off, we will need to actually power off the phone, hold the power key, and then tap on power off and confirm it once more. Now once the device shuts off, we will hold the power key and volume up. So let's wait for that. Okay, so it's more power key and volume up simultaneously. Okay, and from here you want to use only volume up to navigate, so like so, and select recovery mode, which is the first option, and volume down to confirm it. Okay. The next thing you'll see is this, which is Android with no command under it. So hold power key and tap volume up once, like this. And from here, we're now in recovery mode. So you can navigate here using volume up and down, and power key to confirm. And you can, a couple things from this menu, you can update from ADB, from SD card, from cache, basically all updates, wipe data, wipe cache partitions, backup data, restore data, root integrity check, reboot to bootloader, power off the device, and view recovery logs. So whatever you select, you want to also confirm it with power key to actually go there. Like I'm gonna do basically a reboot of the device. So select reboot system now and confirm it with power key. And now the phone will turn back on into the normal Android. So that is basically how you would access recovery mode and also leave it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.